Yes, Panya so piano play ya boy ya ba. Kono tama ye ko school no. Semre so na esese ye nyina yakoko hyiemu a say bia a break time. Anansa ye be pon a anansa no pa. Say
yeah, no pardon.
Ese students thing na yakoko hia ya na ye den.
Assembly please.
Assembly please. Na kesi nyina yakoko hia.
Ye nyina yakoko hia.
Ti ma bodon.
Wow, so nya papa no wa
be inspection. Ti be inspection.
Yeah,
yeah, live on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM. Adom 106.3 FM. Sports page 1 ya dia bai. Kegyiwa Nankasa ni Eric Asiedu Boadi.
Kobe Stonne Okomankra Bakwa Maka Ensroja Edura and a pair for National Yafama MTN. Everywhere you go, network no emo obede pobede papa pano eye MTN me shokono kopebi na download the MTN application no fegu mobile phone so DBS Industries Limited roofing papa pa efie and permit you said the amount se ono enko dija sanso na amposefa at the F pack blows your pain away blows your child's pain away ni nyina eye edra make am for them as abusanchamfa echabusano munyina monche esase bi establish no eman grano dompemu eye dene wonyine no na ne nompemu eye dene na onso paniso no oyade na hotowa na ema ahode foforo sanso na best way for the love of the game every day Shabra Safwe and on the sports bet ye Shabra Danifwe
I know yeah bet way
for the love of the game Shabra Danifwe
yes bet way no no area ave yamakwaba right time nyama fail imantala jakwa champion Professor Wallace amoke one of pay na yetepa yembo ye start fikumase ba ansana be kono papa ya ose wono de ye pamono a onsuro no msa fedie ayeka has for say mutua but mutua de e na mo kan dada awisia wen pamono wen pamono has for coach no
phobia ma
mo tenase na chairman
anu bi agitu
say we see sui odi oba bi timi tenase say oh ya twempena bia but de kaka kono de ye fancy ya onya bi da
yes why not maybe I don't know yet.
No more reaction to say.
One more reaction.
Oh man, no, you almost know.
There's reaction.
There be some of the answer. Tell how catch any set more fancy here.
I'm making another wood.
It's the answer for coach by which you are consented. From somebody see ya. I'm assistant coach, you know, has a phone there. Assistant to the crown of Lagos City. Lagos City. What do you have? Tom said, I know no crannies and I didn't have any some no. Badly. I was in Annos, I want the man a second way on from a crab moment. Hey, yes, that's it. Thomas and Penny phone to the fat. Mamma Motrema
for good the Sanya when he said, NCC no. Your man panini opportunities on board no so naka decision be say on take you know wa coaching one free board
I was so kasa inti general that was said
is say ko kasa outside there
all the money outside is
abaka you know
yenko kumasemra
yenko kumase Black Stars of Ghana share ni ekoi ayuko no pay me more players are on camp with the exception of goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi oni camp
okay
Atizigi enya meduru ye and yanyane tiese ene one shot obeba wa men na kira no papa no beba but me sure say Friday obeba na Atizigi de dem
but I'm not training no and you show your Facebook
and not training Atizigi in count players at camp ni Richard Ofori Joseph Jojo Olakot omni goalkeeper sa camp Ali Asiedu Dennis Odoy Gideon Mensah Outdoor Fatao Hamidu one aya branch ba ko a wo free mediama okaho Daniel Amate Kasim Nuhu Nicholas Opoku Nuruddin Abdullahi one also a local player mediama player no Baba Idrisu Majid Ashimeru Outdoor Samet Salis Edmond Adom Mohamed Kudus Andre Ayu Osman Bukari, Joseph Pentel, Ernest Niema, Jordan Ayew, Abdul Fattah Ishahaku, Inyati Williams, Antoine Semenyo, and Afe Jonathan Sowa. Women players are see you bet Messi Sudia at the amount our show as you said our camp with a exception of goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi. Archese Onosono and a goalkeeper 100 papa what the man to Ebemano. It's a dear course Okumasino training no etime course Emma Onse and Opane Kase. How many training? I don't to you. Gonna wine the car, hotel home, to wine to me in the hall, and to wine to call. I said, Nessa want to go. It's the high and care. I will call you. I must not go down with Tefo for 9 days. It's an so almost training, so and then Perforce say a way and a training also ever cost change pa. Now I'm not training no and a ye who and I will Chris Utimbeca about the Chris Utin say, and near my trip was Sian say over your boo. Yes, it was Sian. Was Sian Consul obey applying. Okay,
my role as coach of the Black Stars is to get the best results and the best performances from the team. You can't always get that, but what you can always do, you can always learn from your previous experiences, whether it's good or bad. And ultimately, I will work as hard as I always do to try to get things the best way that we can. Most important thing for us at this moment are our 2 World Cup qualification games.
Okay. To World Cup qualification games, yes, and live commentary at T4 on Atom 106.3 and Asapa 94.7 and then Wednesday watching year 2. Nyame my year 2. You my year 2. Better than what we need ya tabaya year 2. Nyame my year 2. You my year 2. Better than what to at year 2. Yako preparatory. Nafe Fieda live commentary and you 4. Na ya test like but the man of Champions League, you know, I had that. I remember that for semi-final. I did. And yes, I'm get to cry. Na John and na dakwa. One on a coach when he parted on my Emma Ophelia and Nankasa. Ophelia said, hey, I said you're to me. I'm not saying Ophelia.
Edino near the tune, but also the Bobo.
Okay. And Ophelia, so the Kenyus.
Yeah, the Kenyus.
A Fiaman Quatamakro.
Ophelia.
A Fiaman Quatamakro.
Okay.
As the Kenyus.
Patience. Abnapukia.
Patience. Also, the Kenyus.
Patience.
Yeah.
Patience. Abnapukia.
To Nankasa Mitro. Tamahaku school.
Yeah.
Na Arenia say, your true names of talkatives.
Yeah. Omo Kasapa.
Nasa. Ahwene enimwa teacher na omboyen and half fish so owomuso na say deep in the anu teacher na say fake
okay
I omboyen
okay
nyame wanwa so okasa already so kasa de wope
oh yeah o ade
da me share ni kunu bi san chairman na ha fie no yeah.
You see that creative talking at home.
Ophelia.
Idinke bede nyankopon ase se enenso ode enenso acheye ye ba ya nyame adom yatimi abo adu semi-finals ena semi-finals nenso ayekon enye easy to back camp ya well prepared se nyame adom na semi-finals na yekobono ye be win ne yakọ finals players no bia ye ready for the game say ye be twen se nyame adom ade ye be china yakọ akobono ya de 3 points yakọ finals so make us because we share no ntina ye wa se no say everybody beje cap no na de akọ Ghana na ya nyam hye de ama oman Ghana ene ya nkasa ye mu ne mpanyimfo a omudi yanim ti no ya well prepared say ye be kon akọ finals na ya de cap ne de akọ Ghana.
Right, Ophelia Sawa, Nesamono, no, eti awana banti kwa yanko esa de ma jo na Nankasa na jo na dakwa. Hono su din ya to nyoma.
Majonkasa.
Na dakwa de.
Majonkasa o de Nankasa.
Je nyina na dakwa enka jo. Kona dakwa coach.
Na dakwa na make say edin coaching and na dakwa de nka life.
Yeah, life teacher. Body coach. Yeah.
Oh, body.
Yeah.
Every semi-finals is like finals, very tough. And we know that we are going to have a very good game tomorrow. Definitely, they know us and we know them. They have watched our game and we've been watching their games. But inshallah, we are going to win the game.
Nana Nankasa Sano. Then now on Sporting Casablanca 8 p.m. Yes, it's a very sense match and a call. So Mutimi qualify for because I'm not for nomination. Another coach of the year. Half was on your coach of the year.
And Queens in Swenya nomination. Black Queens
team of the year. Okay.
Almost Swenya. But then I'm not a better just a book of Mancusi one boxing be. I
also are retired.
What you say they were retired.
They say the age no near the no.
I was retired in Sicin Wunya Obeko. Parliament akukasa ho so ko parliament ko semra buku manku
yeah you like area I guess and man kwedi esi akwankwa no premier in some dey pray woni
am so can I say so MTN say everywhere you go and pay download the Oko App Store and I say Google Play Store download the MTN app no for good phone so we send momo amadofo auto credit auto data the easiest way and a match on DBS in Swiss Limited roofing papa efie e channel pay make no but they say over from hotline no line no very very hot it we no offer na say only DBS and I can say 0540 659937 0540 659937 DBS in Swiss Limited woman no and no and for the F pack was to blow so pen away any BX tablets I can want to pay you don't come on a bro bet way for the love of the game a good you don't know betting company are credible
yes
it is a bet way and the be catch on woman udia woman ebitimi achia kakama na ayeye pa
but utwankwa dia obedi
utwankwa bedi yadanfo ba ko Colorado and US your friend Willy
to bobo nyezeze
Colorado
yeah
Colorado
okay
US na UK hono wo
okay
Willy Oceano pay
na say what start to church US for
and Tommy Adams and so US US for if you know we meet you
fine ma ho bibia anyme ebo no so a ye betena se na the sports page to aba
Allah
tene no ye tese mu no na nyum so be tese mu eno a wa hwa shoko bia tene na fa akon ho de no but next ye be samba 7 pm na de aka so ye de abro abusia na de Nankasa ka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi
Stonne okomankra pakwa maka ensuroja adura enyu
yani ekono